Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your ShipWise application. If you want to log out of your ShipWise app, then the process is quite easy. First of all, tap open the ShipWise application on your preferred device. If you are logged into your account, this will be the first interface that you will see. Simply go to the gear button at the top left corner from the main homepage. In the settings menu, you will come across the logout option under your account. Tap on logout and you will be signed out of your account right away. So that is how you can easily log out of your ShipWise application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.